Little storyteller.
Nimbus was a happy, fluffy cloud who loved to drift across the bright blue sky. Today he floated over a place that smelled sweeter than a field of blooming flowers. A candy factory. The factory had tall, pink chimneys puffing out sugary steam. Suddenly, Nimbus felt a funny tickle. He wiggled and giggled, and tiny, colorful things started to fall from him. They weren't raindrops. They were tiny, edible Lego-style bricks in all sorts of fruity colors. Red like strawberries, yellow like bananas, green like limes, and orange like juicy oranges. Below, in a sunny green park, lived a playful puppy named Pip with soft floppy ears and a wagging tail. Pip was chasing a bright blue butterfly when he noticed the colorful rain. "Wow!" barked Pip happily as a yellow banana-flavored brick landed on his nose. Soon a sweet little girl with bright pink shoes named Lily came to the park with her fluffy white bunny, Snowdrop. Snowdrop had long twitching ears and a tiny pink nose. Lily and Snowdrop were playing hide-and-seek behind a big leafy tree when the candy bricks started to fall all around them. Pip, Lily, and Snowdrop looked at the colorful bricks with wide, happy eyes. They started to collect them. Pip carefully picked up the green lime-flavored ones with his mouth. Lily gathered the red strawberry ones in her hands, and Snowdrop nibbled happily on the orange-flavored bricks. Lily had a wonderful idea. "Let's build something," she exclaimed, her eyes sparkling. Pip wagged his tail excitedly, and Snowdrop hopped up and down. They used the colorful bricks to build a little candy house with a red roof and yellow walls. Pip helped by nudging the bigger pieces with his nose. When their candy house was finished, it looked so bright and cheerful. They all sat around it, happily munching on the leftover bricks. Nimbus, still floating above, smiled down at his new friends. He learned that even something unexpected, like a rain of candy, could bring joy and help friends build something wonderful together. It was a sweet way to learn that sharing ideas makes playtime even more fun.
Please subscribe. Thank you.